Hello everyone, it's Caden Weather here. Coming up in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the tornado and severe weather threat for parts of the United States. Again, we have a pretty big tornado threat for parts of North and South Dakota tomorrow, but we'd also have a tornado threat for parts of North and South Dakota today, and a tornado threat for parts of Nebraska tomorrow. And a severe weather threat, which includes large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes if possible, in parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I'll show you exactly where this all is and what you might see in this enhanced risk coming up in today's video. So what you might see, how gusty of winds, how big of hail, all coming up in today's video. So as we start off, I want to show you the severe thunderstorm watches right now that's in effect for parts of parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Severe thunderstorm watches in effect until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today. So yeah, that's a severe thunderstorm watches right now. So as we go ahead and take a look at our forecasts. So as you can see, again, this is our enhanced risk right here. So our enhanced risk is right here, which includes parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So you can see a few tornadoes are possible, large hail and damaging winds, large hail maybe up to baseball or smaller size hail, and gusty winds up to 80 miles per hour possible. So that's our enhanced risk, large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes are possible. This is our slight risk right here, which includes a lot of states. I'm not going to say them all. And it peaks up here. Yeah, it includes a pretty big area of America. But as you can see, in this area, we could see wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible, large hail. We could also see lots of heavy rain. Heavy rain is a big possibility here. So yeah, that's our slight risk. So I want to go ahead and show you our marginal risk. Again, this is today. Moving on for parts of the United States. This is a big portion here. I'm not going to say all the states. But yeah, that's our marginal risk. So wind gusts maybe to 40 to 50 miles per hour. Not very big. Not very big hail either. But yeah, lots of heavy rain possible in this area. So that's our marginal risk. Again, here's our entire thing. So the worst severe weather is going to be in this circled area right here. This is where we're going to see the worst severe weather in that circled area. If you're wanting to know just what will be the worst, what will we see the big weather in that circled area. So let's go ahead and take a look at our tornado threat today. Our tornado threat continues for parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, Delaware. So yeah, so we still could see a tornado over here. We also have a little bubble of a tornado threat right here in parts of South Dakota and North Dakota. But it's very small. This is all 2% chance of seeing a tornado. It's a very small chance. We have an even bigger chance tomorrow's tornado threat coming up in today's video. I'll show you. But yeah, that's our tornado threat today. Let me go ahead and show you the hail threat ongoing today. And we have 15% chance of seeing some large hail right here. So this will be our biggest area seeing some large hail. South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, New York. All those areas have a possibility of seeing some very large hail. So we have a very, very less chance of seeing some large hail right here, but we still have a chance in this outlined area right here. So in this area, not as big as hail, but still a chance of seeing some large hail. That's the area right there. And so again, this is our area of seeing some large hail, biggest area right here. So this is the area we're going to see most of our large hail, that circled area. So let's go ahead and take a look at our wind threat today. Very, very strong gusty winds right here near that enhanced risk. And for parts of New Jersey and Pennsylvania, very large hail very gusty winds possible. This is a 30% chance of seeing some very gusty winds. So yeah, very gusty winds. If you have anything outside that will blow away, knock over because of the wind, you could probably move those in the garage or get them out of the path of the wind, because we do have a very, very large area, not a large area, very large chance of seeing some large hail right here. So this is our 15% chance of seeing some hail in this outlined area right here. Again, I would still move your stuff inside the house or inside the garage, because things could still blow away, or get them out of the path of the wind, because in this area things can still blow away. There's more gusty winds right here, but right here still really gusty winds. So go ahead and move your stuff inside if there's storms coming your way soon, because this is today still. And not as strong as winds right here, but I still have a chance of gusty winds in this area here. So that's our 5% chance of seeing some gusty winds. Definitely not as big as a threat as the other ones, but still a chance. And this is all along, this will be our biggest area of seeing some gusty winds. So the whole area that has a chance will be in the circled area. As you go ahead and look at tomorrow, so tomorrow's threat is still pretty big too. Even though we only have a slight risk and not an enhanced, our tornado threat is actually very big, surprisingly. So this is our slight risk right here for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota, Nebraska, parts of Kansas, Missouri. You guys all have a chance of seeing some large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes if possible. So yeah, that's our slight risk for tomorrow. And if you look right here, this is our marginal risk for tomorrow. That's our marginal risk for tomorrow. So a little bit less of a chance of storms, but we still have a chance of storms in that area. So our area altogether is this area. So all the storms will be around this area right here. So as we go ahead and look at our tornado threat. So this is where it gets kind of big. So we have a 5% chance of a tornado threat, which is bigger than today where we have an enhanced risk. So parts of South Dakota and Nebraska right here. You guys are going to probably see a tornado. Hang on, let me rewrite that. Right here, you guys are probably going to see a tornado warning possible. 5% chance. So be weather aware, stay safe again, because there could be a tornado possible. Another risk right here, even bigger, a 2% chance, even bigger area, 2% chance seeing a tornado there, but not as big as that 5% chance, but still stay weather aware, because if you have a chance of a tornado, you need to watch out the weather, because there could be a tornado warning issued. So again, this is our tornado risk. Go ahead and look at our hail threat tomorrow. This is the area of hail right here. This is our area of hail, biggest hail. A little bit smaller hail right here. And right here, we have an even bigger chance of seeing some hail. So big, bigger, and bigger. So that's our chances of hail tomorrow. As we go ahead and take a look at our wind threat tomorrow. Again, 15% chance of seeing some gusty winds, basically the same area as a slight risk. And this is our big area here. Again, right here in this area, that is our 5% chance, but then the big area of seeing all the wind is going to be in the circled area. Well, I'm going to wrap it up for today's video. I'll go ahead and show you tomorrow, but we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Again, tomorrow we have a very small chance of seeing some storms tomorrow. Just a marginal risk right here and right here. Other than that, not that big of storms tomorrow. Again, tomorrow, we have a slight risk with a tornado threat, and a tornado threat today with an enhanced risk right here. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay weather aware, stay safe, leave a like, subscribe, I'll keep you updated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!